Hey everybody, what's up? This is the Calling Shoe project and just kind of want to do some updates. It's been a while, but just want to do some updates on the months to come and what's in store for the rest of the year. First off, I'd like to invite everybody to the H&D conference, Home National Development Conference in Appleton, Wisconsin, April 3rd through the 5th. Be sure to be there. It's going to be a good year. We look forward to being there and look forward to meeting everybody and seeing everybody.
Yes, like Tom said, we look forward to seeing everybody there, and including you who's watching this video. You may be in California, you may be like next door. We would love to see you there. So this is about it for right now, so we'll keep you updated as we go on our journey to Appleton, Wisconsin.
And for more information, please visit www.hndinc.org. That's hdinc.org. And Suddenrush concert.
Oh yeah, Suddenrush. We're playing a show with Suddenrush. Suddenrush, I'm sure you guys are familiar with them from Canada, Canadians. So it's like a Canadian and American kind of concert, so it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a formal match. It's a formal US concert. May 23rd, 2009. Lenoir Fairgrounds. Starts at 7. Just a heads up, save the date. That's May 23rd. That's May 23rd, 2009. Save the date, be there, and come out, have fun. And I think that's it. Yeah.
Big time editing.
Yeah. MySpace.com, the Kong Shoe Project. That's myspace.com/THEKONG SHUPROJECT. There you go, and take care and Shinji-do.